man, that light is really bright. It's kind of messing up my lighting here, but what's up guys, it's Aaron here from Aaron Does Art, and it's been a little bit. It's been about 4 days since I've uploaded, but I got a good little break in there. Schoolwork really had me going crazy, but yeah, I'm back and a lot has happened since the last time I uploaded. Congratulations to Wyvern Body for reaching 20 subscribers. Very good job. Hopefully millions more to come. And we got kittens. Yeah, we got 2 kittens at our house now, and one is named Mango and one is named Ray, and yeah, they're pretty crazy. So we've been playing with them a lot, but you guys didn't come here to listen to me talk about kittens. You came here because you want to learn how to draw a dragon. So today's episode is probably going to be a little bit shorter because I'm doing dragon bodies today, and those tend to be not that hard to draw. So it might be a little bit short, but hopefully it still is good for you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I don't plan on speeding this up at all because it's probably not going to take me too long to draw them all out. But I'm going to show you 2 designs for dragon body. One will be the traditional like 6-limb dragon, 4 legs, 2 wings, and then the second will be the wyvern or wyvern, however you want to pronounce it, which is the dragon with 2 back legs and 2 wings, and the front arms are kind of connected with the wings kind of thing. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the normal dragon body. So we're gonna draw out, we're gonna give it a neck. We're gonna bring in the neck like this, and you, depending on how thin you want it, you can bring this line in, and you can bring the stomach part in depending on how malnourished you want it to look. But once you've got the neck in there, you need to bring down the chest down like this into kind of a curved shape like this, because the dragon would need a chest muscle in here in this area, which is why it protrudes like that, because birds have that too, and that's what allows them to have enough strength to like push their wings down and lift them up into the air. So we're gonna draw out the back, and my kind of thing for doing this is you draw the top and the bottom just kind of alternating between to make sure they're both at the same length and stuff. So yeah, and so you're gonna take this, and normally for mine this part right here would be kind of covered up by the dragon's leg, but since there's no leg there, we're just doing the body. We don't need to cover it up. So we're gonna draw out the stomach part here, and I'm gonna make it kind of a, you know, normal looking body, and then bring the back down to follow. Bring out the hips right here, and then this is where you would start the tail. So your front legs shoulders would go right about here, back legs would go right about here, and then your wings would start right about here, up by the front legs. And so just some details that I like to add in are like gills on the neck like that, and maybe some lines here, just light lines, and occasionally I'll do like kind of a light line all the way down the back, right underneath the top line that we drew, as kind of the spine. So yeah. Okay, there's our nice cool looking dragon body. So now we're gonna work on the wyvern body or wyvern body. I don't know how you guys say it, but I just call it a wyvern. And it's gonna look very similar to this, but a little bit distorted. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and start. So we're basically gonna take this and tilt it like this, and then make a few other changes. So we're gonna make a longer neck and thinner. I'm following the same process as this. And so then we're gonna take the chest, bring it out like that. And the back is gonna be a little bit more arched. We're gonna make this one thinner, like the hips. And then the body's actually gonna be shorter. So yeah, there's our wyvern body. It looks very similar to the dragon body, you might notice, but I did make the neck longer, and the body itself is shorter than the normal dragon body. So in this case, you don't have a front leg and a wing, you just have both. So the shoulder would be about here, and the back leg would be right there. And then normally for a wyvern, if you were making it kind of on the ground, you would bring the arm up a little bit and then down all the way like that. And then the legs would be kind of bent into like a sitting position almost. Just kind of like that, like Ghidorah. Think about King Ghidorah from Godzilla. And so I'll draw in some of the details that I always like to draw in, just some lines for gills, just because they look cool, not necessarily necessary. And the lines on the side of the thing. And then a lot of times I do like to add in a line right there to just kind of show off that that chest muscle. But yeah, so nothing too crazy. There's our wyvern body and dragon body. Yeah, so hopefully this helped you guys. Alright guys, that was our super fast tutorial on how to draw dragon bodies and wyvern bodies. It wasn't anything too crazy, but hopefully you guys got something out of it. And I do plan on making a video tomorrow talking about how to draw dragon legs. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss that upload when it comes out. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I'll see you next time.